Hi, I'm Kady Buchanan on the distribution team at Nikko Asset Management. Donald Trump's victory in the recent U.S. presidential election has sparked conversations about the economic implications, not just for America, but also for countries like New Zealand. Let's break down some of the ways his policies could impact our economy and what that might mean for us. One of the biggest economic concerns revolves around trade. In the past, Trump has focused heavily on protecting American industries, which often meant introducing or increasing tariffs on imports. If similar measures are adopted again, global trade patterns could shift, potentially making it harder or more expensive for New Zealand to export products like dairy, meat, and wine to key markets. Our economy is quite dependent on exports, so any disruption or trade barriers could affect our farmers and exporters. It's something we'll need to watch closely as new policies are announced. Another potential impact is on the currency market. Changes in U.S. policies, particularly around trade and taxes, could lead to fluctuations in the value of the U.S. dollar. When the U.S. dollar strengthens or weakens, it has a direct impact on the New Zealand dollar, which can make our exports either more or less competitive globally. And a lower New Zealand dollar may make imports more expensive and conversely, exports more attractive. For example, if the New Zealand dollar becomes too strong, our goods might become more expensive for overseas buyers, impacting sales and the income we generate from exports. This is especially important for businesses that rely heavily on international markets. Trump's approach to economic growth typically includes strategies like tax cuts and reducing regulations for businesses. While this might stimulate growth in the U.S., it can create market volatility. Global investors often react strongly to big policy changes, and any uncertainty or instability could affect markets here in New Zealand as well. If global markets get shaky, New Zealand investments could see fluctuations, and that could influence everything from investment balances to business investment decisions. On the positive side, the U.S. equity market has reacted positively to the possibility of higher growth from lower corporate taxes and deregulation. Finally, we need to think about the bigger picture of trade agreements. Under Trump's previous administration, the U.S. withdrew from or renegotiated major trade deals. If that happens again, it could reshape the global trade landscape, and New Zealand might need to renegotiate or adjust its own trade agreements to protect our interests. This could mean both challenges and opportunities, but it adds a layer of complexity for our trade negotiators and could influence the ease or difficulty of doing business with the U.S. So, while it's early days, it's clear that Trump's win could have ripple effects on New Zealand's economy, from trade and currency to market stability and investment. As always, staying informed and being ready to adapt will be crucial for businesses and investors here at home. We'll continue to keep an eye on developments, and as the details unfold, we'll have a better sense of what it means for our economic future.